Can you see your Lyft carbon footprint? Well, the answer might depend on your availability. This feature is only available in certain regions and may not appear for every account. However, if you want to check it, you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft app, you'll be able to see a homepage which will look something like this. After that, you want to simply click on accounts option over here at the bottom right, and by doing so you'll be able to see all of your account settings over here. And you want to simply look for the sustainable, and inside the account settings you want to simply search for the sustainability or carbon savings option, and if it is available you'll be able to open the section to view your estimated carbon footprint or carbon savings. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.